Here's the garden from the old house, ready for planting for the next owner. Compost pile there, fish tank, greenhouse. Another garden area here, all ready to go once it's rototilled. That's it for the old house. I left the straw there for them so that they can use it in the garden, because I really can't move that, it will just fall apart. Okay, here we are at the new house. It's been a few days that we've been here, but here's where I plan on putting our new barn. Hopefully you can hear me. We got a little bit of wind here. We're building our new chicken coop over here. It's a fairly good sized yard. We still have some plants left from last year's garden here. They're trying to survive. A couple of them, I think, got hit with the frost again after we got them over here, because I don't have a greenhouse to keep them in here yet. So we have a few trees. The place is still a mess because we're still moving in. So here, the chicken coop here, we're using the Harbor Freight garage frame that we had at the other house, and enclosing one in with corrugated steel, and this end here will be chicken wire to keep them safe. In this area over here, I plan on putting a high tunnel, at least 30-40 feet long, 20 feet wide in here. So we have a few trees. Some of them we need to tear out. The previous owners thought it would be nice to have trees that had 2-inch thorns on them. So we have a few things here, and this whole front yard is going to be garden eventually. We've got to hurry up and do it. So that's a quick tour of the new yard. It needs a lot of work. It's a blank slate, so stay tuned for lots of how-tos starting from scratch. Okay, that completes our tour of the new place and the last tour of the old house, which was only a third of an acre, and here we have just over half an acre. So if you like our videos, please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified whenever we put out a new video. Have a great day and keep gardening.